Hello guys, I buy watch online tag Heuer uh, Chronograph Formula 1 and just delivered today, and I have overnight shipping, and it's on the box. It's by FedEx. It's on the box. It's the box right there, and they have some letter on the back. I think it's the warranty for the watch, yeah, for the warranty card, and the certification authenticity for the watch. And there's the warranty card. This one, if you want to extend your limited warranty, like you don't want to pay extra money for your warranty, all that, but I didn't buy that one. This is the watch right there. Let's see, in the box they have first the manual thing where that tag Heuer Chronograph. Yeah, let's see what's in the box right there. Where the box is like there. Tag Heuer. And inside the box, right there, I have another case, like a leather case inside it. Right there. Yeah, this is the watch itself. There's nothing inside. It's only the leather case. They have the plastic protector, and they have the tag. It said not returnable if the tag is removed. Okay. Yeah, this is the protector. Hey guys. It look nice. I like it. I like the Formula 1, the old one, and I've been like the old one for a long time. Then now this expensive watch that I bought, it's like almost $1,700 for this one. Yeah, it's like see the back of it, and there if you can see it in the camera, they have the serial number here. Yeah, the serial number. You can go to one on a tag Heuer shop, then they can look at it. And this one is lifetime warranty on the battery. I think mostly every 3 years just change it and change it for you. Just bring it to the tag Heuer authorized dealer, and they will change it for you. Yeah, right here guys, it's like I like it. Yeah, we can remove this plastic so that you can see the right there guys, the protector. Yeah, right there. Yeah guys, it's a stainless steel, and if you want to see it, if it's 100% stainless steel. If you have a piece of magnet, right there guys. take up all the plastic. There's, see the name, Heuer. Heuer. I have a piece of magnet. Let me show it to you. Right here is a piece of magnet. See that? It's a piece of small, strong magnet. It's small but strong. See there? And you can look at here. All stainless. You can see it's all stainless. Yeah, I like it, guys. I like the gear. Yeah, it's simple. 1700 is not that bad. I like it. Yeah, probably I'm gonna review this one for a couple of weeks or months. This is the chronograph. You choose that one and they start working, and you just press this one and you just stop, and this button here is the reset. There you go. Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. I like the watch, and it's a nice watch. I like it. Thank you.